morning, my dear ones. Good morning from our 7th day in Egypt. Team Bright is ready. We will enjoy our breakfast. Cheese and omelet and tomatoes. Ready with whole luggage, and I want to show you we are cooking something very nice here. It smells fantastic. You can see here the onions, and you can see here the yummy things, and here's some rice. Yeah, it smells delicious. So we're going now to have lunch with the groom and his family, and we're excited. Team Bright is here. Woohoo! We're ready to secure the wedding day and the bride. So yeah, let's have amazing day today. Yay! We're ready. The bride is here. We're going to lunch with the groom. Woo! The groom's family, come and join us. We're at the groom's place and they have some cool things. Let's see. Princess. So cool. Look at that. Oh, that's princess. Lobsters? Yes, lobster. This is lobster, but another kind. No. This is not cooked. The red one is already. And there is shrimps here. Oh, wow. Also beautiful shrimps and salmon.
Yes, salmon, right.
Yes. Potatoes. This is the new song of Mohammed Ramadan. I will enjoy the sweet potato. Enjoy! Now we will write the postcard for the groom and the bride. Gift. Writing the groom. Time for presents!
Yay!
Where's the bell?
It's downstairs. It's in the car. You got the ring for presents?
They're so cute.
There are hearts in it. Let's open. I don't know what that is.
Karaja. Turkish brand. So, I hope it's so.
Oh! Wow!
Do you like the print?
Oh!
I guess the plastic
My
is
mama's
broken.
gonna be super happy.
Oh, they look super
they're
beautiful.
like open.
Oh, they're like.
I know. There's another layer.
Yeah, they're like
Hold on.
74 pieces. So
Oh my god.
it's a big one.
It looks
We
really,
should have
really
opened that in front of my mama.
You like it?
It looks super nice.
Do you like the design?
Yeah,
It's very rich.
yeah, I do. That's like 2-3 days, and then so it's super fresh. And the place where he,
In genuine.
yeah, it's close to Hurghada. It's in the Red Sea.
Yes, I know.
So the fish is really pure and the water is really pure. It's not like from the farms, and it's like super.
Yay!
What is this?
Fish.
This is plenty of types, not just one. But I don't
Different
know.
types.
Yes.
Different types.
This is barbunia, I think. Oh, the one with the little fish.
Wow. Looks very nice.
Barbuni, ده البربوني.
What is
Smells
this?
so nice.
Yes.
It's called barbuni.
هتجيب السلمون اللي جوه عشان
Is it a salmon? No.
No, my mom made the salmon.
Ah.
This one. No, not this one.
But this is nice. This looks very good.
It looks really nice. مش عارف. Maybe we can know.
Wow.
mashallah.
Wow.
I think this is the one.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is Zingari.
This is the salmon.
Can I see? The blue color.
This is the rainbow fish. Wow.
It's opened, wide open. He tells me this is the best
beautiful.
fish in the Red Sea because it only eats like super pure shrimps and.
What is the name in Arabic for?
اسمها ايه دي؟
نجل
ناجل.
Everything looks so yummy.
في عايزين ايه؟
لا أنا بقول حاجة.
We will enjoy the seafood. Enjoy the seafood with us. Bon appetit. This soup is amazing. The fish soup is so tasty.
كل حاجة ما أنا لسه كده برضه.
It's so amazing. And it's super tasty everything. The cake is ready. Yes. Amazing cake. Everything was so delicious. Let's go for dessert! Yay! We're here. So we're already in the hotel. Ooh, cookie gingerbread's house. And we will enjoy the evening and we will rest before the big day. We just have arrived at Swiss scene. You can see the bride and the groom getting ready and all the luggage. And you can see the beautiful trees.
Tastes super good.
Omnit, can we eat your strawberries? Should we wash them or they are
No,
washed?
they washed. These ones are washed.
We will taste the strawberries. Mmm, amazing. The place, the garden. So my room is here. We have just registered in Swiss in Cairo. Come with me and see my fantastic room. Ta-da! This is the bathroom. Team bright! Woohoo! Okay. So these are the washings and everything. This is the bathroom, the toilet. Okay. Again, mirror. My suitcases and all my stuff. Oh, water, yeah. I have plenty of water. Hi, Team Bright. Okay. With compliments, yeah. We get this, we get that. Pretty room. This is my dress. I will show you in a while. Look at my fantastic hotel view. Good night from Cairo.